Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rantika. I'm from class 6A of English Education Study Program. Thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to present a proposal assignment in the Classroom Action Research course, Mr. Edi Supraetno MPD. The title of my proposal is the use of role-playing activities to improve students' speaking confidence in English at 7th grade of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai. The first, background of study. Self-confidence play a crucial role in student participation in speaking activities. Students with high confidence level tend to be more active and achieve better outcomes, while those with low confidence often remain passive and avoid speaking English. Therefore, creating engaging and supportive learning experience is essential to help boost student speaking confidence, according to Agustina 2024. At SMP Negeri 1 Hinai, several issues hinder the development of student speaking confidence in English. Many students experience anxiety and fear of making mistakes when speaking in front of the class, which reduce their willingness to participate in speaking activities. This problem is compounded by the continued use of conventional teaching method that emphasizes reading and writing, while speaking is often overlooked. The lack of interactive and communicative learning strategy, such as role-playing or group discussion, also limit opportunities for students to practice speaking in a supportive environment. In addition, students face challenge due to limited vocabulary, low motivation, and minimal exposure to English in their daily learning. These factors, along with the limited time allotted for speaking practice, make it difficult for students to build confidence and improve their speaking skill effectively. By considering the problem of issues of low speaking confidence and motivation at SMP Negeri 1 Hinai, role-playing activities are a relevant and effective strategy to enhance student speaking skills. This method allows students to practice speaking in a realistic and interactive situation, helping to reduce anxiety and improve communication. Role-play also support motivation and interpersonal skills, which are essential in language learning, according to Mayati 2013. Based on this description, the research is interested in conducting classroom action research with the title The Use of Role-Playing Activities to Improve Student Speaking Confidence in English at 7th grade of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai. The research problem. Number 1. Does the use of role-playing activities improve student confidence in speaking English in class 7 of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai? How is the implementation of role-playing activities to improve student self-confidence in speaking English in class 7 of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai? The objective of the study. Number 1, to find out whether the use role-playing activities improve the student confidence in speaking English in class 7 of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai. 2, to describe how role-playing activities are implemented to improve students' self-confidence in speaking English class 7 of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai. Next, the scope of the research. The scope of this research focuses on 7th grade students of SMP Negeri 1 Hinai to improve their speaking confidence through role-playing activities. The class was chosen due to a low speaking skill and the absence of role-playing in previous lessons, with full support from the schools. The theory, role-playing improves speaking fluency and reduces anxiety by allowing students to express themselves creatively in a supportive setting, according to Prasetyo et al. 2024. The significance of the study. Theoretically, this research supports the development of theories related to affective factors in language learning, particularly of role of self-confidence in speaking English. Two, this research supports the development of theories related to affective factors in language learning, particularly the role of self-confidence in speaking English. Theory 2 help students build confidence, reduce anxiety, and increase motivation through engaging real life speaking practice using role-playing activities. Two, offer teacher innovation and adaptable method to make speaking class more interactive and to better observe and assess student confidence and speaking ability. Three, serve as a foundation for further research in different contexts, allowing exploration of various skills or broader application of role-playing in English learning. Review of related literature. Speaking confidence is the ability of students to express ideas verbally in English without fear of mistake or embarrassment, which grow when they practice in a supportive and enjoyable environment. According to Randy et al. 2020. The role-playing method can improve students' speaking skills by providing space to express ideas more freely and interactively, according to Rohmana et al. 2024. Role-playing has long been used in language classroom as a participational method to support speaking development. It creates a safe environment where students can effectively practice language without fear of making mistakes. Help to build their confidence in using English. Letters 2019. Previous studies. A journal article entitled Enhancing Grade 8 Student English Speaking Skill Through Role Play. Panjaitan 2021. A journal article entitled The Effect of Role Playing on Student Speaking Ability. Dawai et al. 2022. A journal article Improving Student Confidence in Speaking Skill using script role play at Yogyakarta Tourism Academy, according Santoso and Prasetyo 2024. According article Enhancing Self-Confidence in English Speaking Through Role-Play Activities, Ardada M. Sadikin 2025. Journal article entitled Enhancing Student Speaking Ability at SMK Jagakarsa through the application of role-playing technique. The study et al. 2024. This is a conceptual framework. The first, the use of role-playing activities to improve student speaking confidence. Two, student speaking anxiety, fear of making mistakes, resistance to speak, role-playing activities. So simulated speaking scenario, supportive and risk-free environment. Research methodology. The first, design. The research employed the methodology of classroom action research. The research will be conducted in a single cycle. In the event of the initial trial's failure, the research will produce with a subsequent cycle as revision cycle, starting with the second cycle and continue accordingly. Time and location. The location of the study is at SMP Negeri 1 Hinai. The study will be conducted in the eighth semester of academic year 2024 to 2025, starting from April 2025. Research setting and subject. This research setting and subject. This research will be conducted on class 7 student at SMP Negeri Wadah Hinai, North Sumatra. The total number of students is 30 people. Research procedure. Planning to action, implementing to observing and reflection. This is observation questionnaire instrument. There are 15 point, and instrument format. Then indicators of speaking confidence. Data collecting technique. In this case, the researchers refer to several general indicators in measuring speaking confidence, including courage to speak in front of others, ability to reduce a nervous or fear when speaking, ability to start and maintain a conversation, ability to express opinions without fear of being wrong, positive perception of one's ability to speak. These 5 indicators are the basis for compiling questionnaire items, observation guidelines, and assessment rubrics in oral tests. In addition, the researchers are also asked to expert lecture in the field of English education to assess the feasibility of the content and structure of the instrument. The validation result from the experts show that this instrument obtained an average score of 89.17%, which is included in the valid category based on the following classification. This is the table of qualification validity instrument. That's all our presentation today. If I mistake and wrong, I'm so sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.